Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of network engineer testing your optimization skills second lab, that is create conversational AI agents with Dialogflow CX. Okay. So before starting the solution, I want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of all previous lab except this one because I am facing bug in this. That's why I didn't upload the solution of this right now. But yes, I will soon upload the solution of this one also. But already uploaded the solution of others. तो आप जाके मेरे चैनल पे चेक कर सकते हैं, सारे लैब्स के सॉल्यूशन अपलोडेड हो चुके हैं. तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड स्टार्ट परफॉर्मिंग द लैब. And yes, one more update that the deadline of this challenge is extended by 3 more days. Now it's 27 Jan. Okay, so you have plenty of time to finish all these labs. So let's start the lab. There are total 7 tasks that we need to perform, but the lab will be a shorter one. So don't worry. Click on Start Lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. We need to perform some similar steps that we do in all videos. So simply right click on Open Google Console, open it in private window, come back to the lab for the password. Password is this one, copy it. You know that the email address will be automatically pasted up. So simply click on next button. It will ask you for the password. So paste the password that we copied and click on the next button. Wait for it to load. And we are connected with our Google Cloud Console. वंस अगेन हो सकता है कि आपका डायरेक्ट गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल ओपन ना हो, आपको कुछ वेलकम मैसेज आए, कुछ आपको यहाँ पर पॉपअप अराइज हो जिसमें आपको एग्रीमेंट्स एंड कंडीशंस को एग्री करना हो, कंटिन्यू करना हो. तो वो सबके में रैंडम होता है, किसी के में आता है, किसी के में नहीं आता है. ओके, सो डोंट वरी इफ यू फेस एनी एरर, देन यू कैन वॉच माय प्रीवियस वीडियो. इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग यू विल सी द सेम स्टेप्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, सिंपली क्लिक गो टू द एपीआई एंड सर्विसेज, गो टू द लाइब्रेरी. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू enable the Dialogflow API. So wait for the page to load. Here type Dialogflow, hit enter. Our Dialogflow API will be here. Click on this and enable it. We need to enable this API. Click on got it and click on enable it. Now while it's enabling, come back to the lab, go to the task 1. Now in the task 1, click on this and open it in private window by right clicking it. हमें इसे प्राइवेट विंडो में ही खोलना है. तो ये Dialogflow CX कंसोल हमारा ओपन हो जाएगा. मेक श्योर आपकी Dialogflow API जो enable हो गई हो. Now here you will see your project name. This one qwiklabs. So select it. Wait for the page to refresh. It will automatically refresh. Here we need to create some agents. We already performed these types of the steps in the previous video. हमने पहले ही कुछ agents create करे हैं, तो ये कोई नई बात नहीं है हमारे लिए. So we are familiar with this. Click on create agent button. The name of the agent will be this one. So copy this fully without any extra spacing very carefully. Paste the name here. Let me remove the extra spacing that I copied in the starting. Now in the location, scroll down and select global. Click on create button. Wait for it to get created. Once it get created, we are done with the task 1 and we will click on check my progress button. So wait for it to get load. Now come back to the lab, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick here also because we created our agent. You can see assessment is complete. Now what we need to do, simply copy this link, come back to here, click on agent button, click on view all agents, cut it, click on these 3 dots, here click on restore button, paste the URL that we copied and click on restore button. We will restore our file from this link. Once it get restored, click on done button and we are done with the task 2 also. So wait for it to load. Now once you created the agent, simply click on agent settings, click on enable cloud logging and click on save button. Now we are done with the task 2. Simply come back to here, click on check my progress and we will get a green tick here also. Okay, it's the past part of the task 1 actually. Try 1 to 2 times for get the right tick on this green tick. Let me try it. Yes, you can see I got a assessment complete green tick. If in your case it throw any error, आपकी केस में अगर error दे, आपको green tick ना मिले, then try it 2 to 3 times with the gap of 1 minute. एक मिनट के gap के साथ आप check my progress पे 1-2 बार click करें, आपको मिल जाएगा. Now we don't need to perform the task 2. Simply in the task 3 we need to test the agent. So simply copy this first statement. I need a car. Come back to here. After copying it, click on back button. Click on test agent. Here paste the phrase that we copied or hit enter. Now come back to the here. Scroll down. Scroll down. In the 4th task, copy this one. Be careful with the extra spacing. We don't need to copy any full stop or comma. So come back to here, paste this here and hit enter. Come back to here again and copy this one. I want to book a car without any extra spacing or full stop or comma. Paste it here, hit enter. Once it get loaded, we are done with this. We can click on check my progress and we will get a green tick here also. You can see assessment is completed. Now in the 5th task, we need to go to the manage and their version. We need to make a version with this name, happy path only. So copy it very carefully without any extra spacing or full stop. Come back to here. Okay, cut it. Here click on the manage button. Under the manage, scroll down to the versions. You can cut this test agent working. Now click on default start flow. Click on create button. Paste the name that we copied and click on save button. We are done. We created the version. So wait for it. Click on default start flow again and wait for the status to get ready. Once it get ready, we will further process the task. Okay, जैसे ये complete हो जाएगा, ready हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम अपना next task start करेंगे. तो इसके लिए wait करते हैं. Okay. Now as you can see, our status is ready. So our version is also ready. Come back to the lab. Now copy this stable. Copy it very carefully without any extra spacing or full stop or comma. Come back to here. Now click on environments here in under the manage section. Now click on create button. Just copy the display name. In the version default start flow, select the happy path only. Okay. After that, click on the save button. Okay. So we created our environment successfully. So wait for it to get loaded. You can see environment is saved successfully. Once you completed with that, come back to the lab. Go scroll up, go to the task 4. हमने scroll up किया, scroll down नहीं, task 5 से task 4 पे गए इस बार. हमें ये फिर से test case run करानी है, तो copy it very carefully. Come back to here. So just simply click on the test agent button. Here under the environment, select stable. Okay. From draft, change it to stable. Now paste the code that we copied and hit enter. These are the run cases or the test cases that we need to perform. After that, select this. I want to book a car without any full stop or extra spacing. Paste it here, hit enter. Now once you're done with that, simply scroll down to the task 5, click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick here also. You can see we are done with this. We don't need to perform anything in the task 6. So we need to perform the task 7 now. Okay. So in the task 7, what we need to do? Come back to here. And under the manage tab, click on the integrations button. Okay. Cut it the test agent, click on the manage button. Here we need to create new manage. Okay, so select the country code, click on the country code, drop down will be open, select it. Now click on request button, select any number you want to select out of the 3. Under the display name you can type anything. I will typing the subscribe, so you can subscribe the channel if you want the update regarding the video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, now click on the save button. Now once you're done with that, we are done with our lab also. We can click on check my progress and we will get a green tick here also, and our lab is successfully completed. So wait for it, you get a green tick. Once again, अगर आपको एक बार में green tick ना आए तो 2 से 3 बार check my progress पे click करें, 1-2 मिनट की gap के बाद try करके देखें check my progress पे, you will get a green tick for sure. Okay, congratulations, we are done with this. Click on end lab button, click on submit button, give the star rating that you want to give, click on submit button, come back to the main page. Wait for the page to get load, scroll down, and you will get a green tick beside our lab, that is create conversational AI agents with Dialogflow CX challenge lab. So you can see this is the solution of this lab. That's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or in the Telegram group. The Telegram group have a feature that you can send your screenshot of the error to make the chat more conversational or more convenient. So yes, आप Telegram group पे मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं अपनी query, और make sure आप channel को subscribe करके रखें. That's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.